Late registration of nikahnaमा. It is possible to get a marriage registered at the Union Council years after the wedding. Most likely the couple had their marriage solemnized by a nikah kawan who was not an authorized nikah registrar. Therefore, the couple needs to get a nikahnaama issued by a nikah registrar. For the late issuance of a nikahnaama, it is a requirement to present the signed marriage contract drafted at the time the solemnization, 2 witnesses, dowry and an affidavit. Then the couple can have their marriage registered at the Union Council. The requirements for late registration at the Union Council are the nikahnaama, court approval and the present 6 witnesses who attended the solemnization of the marriage. Even though registration of marriage and divorce is mandatory by law, the representatives of the Union Councils who the delegation met with did not state that late registration of marriage would result in any kind of sanctions. This is consistent with information from several diplomatic sources that elaborated that an Islamic marriage, registered or not, is accepted as a valid marriage by the public in general but also by the Union Councils. Zahid Law Associates is the leading marriage and family lawyer. For online nikah or documentation related to nikah marriage in Pakistan, please contact on WhatsApp 0092 300 2329223. www.zahidlaw.com